What is going on, guys? Today I got a brand new video fail with the MazdaSpeed 3. I've had these sitting in my garage for a good month now. Sorry, they're actually inside my room. These are the ABS rain visors for a Mazda 3 hatchback, or fits on the Speed 3. I have the exact same rain visors on the Mazda 3 sedan, and I recorded a video for that way back, at least 3 years ago at this point. A reason why I got the ABS ones is because they have more of an arch so that you can actually roll the window down and water won't get in. Now, if we're talking about well visors, yes, they do look better, but I personally don't think they do their job as well as the ABS visors. Plus, I do like the look of these when you're running a wide offset wheel. It actually does do something, which is quite impressive, I would say. So let's open these up and get started with installing these thick mamas. So inside the package you guys get instructions. You also get alcohol wipes, which you guys are going to want to use. You also get all 4 sides with double-sided tape on the rear. So let's go ahead, get started installing some rain visors in beautiful rainy Vancouver. So first thing you guys are want to do is dry off the surface as well as you can, because we will be double-sided. So on this black trim here, you're going to take one of your alcohol rubbing pads. This is just going to get rid of any contaminants that would make the double-sided tape hard to stick on. Go ahead and take your little pad out and just wipe her along here. As you guys can see, quite a bit of dirt actually came off there. Go ahead and let this evaporate, and then we'll hit it once it's dried up. This design includes you to basically hook into your mirror cap right here. So what we're gonna do is, because the double-sided tape only goes to right about there, all this is dry and I heated it up a bit with the heat gun. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo the double-sided tape. Basically, you're gonna bend this part in here, just like that. And I'm going to tape it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks really good on there. I am very impressed. Actually, very, very impressed. So let's go ahead and do the rear window now. So this one's already dry, we're just gonna hit it. So the rear ones are a little bit more tricky because you don't really have a guideline with that clip in the front. The most important part with this one is lining up the side pieces first. Wrap off. And there you guys have it. Your first side is done. Oh, that's tight. That makes it actually look real nice. And do the other side now, since the first side is done. And that looks really good. I really like how that looks. And there you guys have it. That is the full install of rain visors on the MazdaSpeed 3. ABS wind visors looking real good. Very happy and pleased with how these look, especially with the tinted windows. Looks super good.
That's good. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the notifications.
And also leave a comment if you guys have more questions about today's install. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.